lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the mess, we are cleaning out the fridge, which has been needing it for a long time because honestly, sadly, I can't tell you. And I mean, it's at least been a year since I last actually wiped down the fridge. I've taken out, of course, outdated stuff. But, yeah, it's been at least probably about a year since the poor fridge has had a nice, good, deep cleaning. So we are getting that done today. So I hope this gives you some cleaning motivation, and let's get into it. So first I'm just starting out with just getting everything out of the fridge. That way it's easier for me to just get in there and really wipe everything down, which there was some jam that I don't know how, but at the bottom of one of the jars, it got all sticky. So yeah, I was definitely scrubbing at some of the shelves there for a while. Plus, genius me decided to go ahead and start cleaning out the fridge at 8 o'clock at night. So I think it took me a little over an hour to clean, but I was definitely exhausted by the time I was done and ready for bed.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again.
definitely learned my lesson though. I am never letting my fridge go that long without being deep cleaned ever again, because it was not fun trying to get this glass off of here because it was stuck. But it's all clean now and it looks lovely. I did also clean out the bottom of this fridge, but I just realized as I was editing this video that my camera shut off before that point, so I'm so sorry about that. This is also about the end of the video because I just kind of did my shelves, or not the shelves, but the baskets and like my condiments at the side. I kind of wiped all those down in the sink off camera. But yep, I will show you the final result. And I will also see all you guys again in the next video. Bye guys.